Hi there, Year 3. Today we're going to continue with our maths learning of telling the time, and we're going to be looking at telling the time to the exact minute. So you will need a pencil and the sheets printed from Google Classroom, or if you don't have a printer, that's fine, just a plain piece of paper to write your workings out and answers on. So I'm just going to share my screen with you now and we will get started. So like I said, our can I is can I tell the time, and our context is to the minute. So we're going to be looking at telling the time to the exact minute. So that's a bit of progression from our previous lesson where we were looking at telling the minute at 5-minute intervals. So first up, as usual, you have your spaced learning. So you've got something from last lesson, last week, last term and last year. So you can pause the video now to have a go and then press play again when you're ready. So hopefully you've had a go at your spaced learning. So let's move on to the next part now. So like I said, we're looking at telling the time to the precise minute. And the key thing with this is being really accurate and focusing really closely on the minute hand, because we're looking for the precise minute. And so this is an I do. So first of all, it's asking us to work out the time on this clock here. So first of all, I'm going to look at my minutes hand, and when we're doing minutes past, we count up. So we go from the 12 round to 6, and each tiny line in between the big numbers represents 1 minute. So we'd go 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes when we get to the big ones. That's 5 minutes past, 6 minutes past, 7 minutes past, 8 minutes past, 9 minutes past, 10 minutes past when we get to the big 2, and we do that all the way around till we get to 30 minutes past down here. So on this one, I know that the big 4 is the same as 20 minutes past, so I'm going to go 21 minutes past, 22 minutes past. So we know that the minutes hand is pointing to 22, and then we look to the hour hand, and the hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2, so we know it's 22 minutes past 1. On this next clock, we have to draw the hands in ourselves, and this is again being really accurate with our minutes hand. So it's asking for 4 minutes past 3. So we know that that's 1 minute past, 2 minutes past, 3 minutes past, 4 minutes past. So I'm going to draw my minutes hand, and because it's our longer hand, it helps us to be accurate because we can get close to the line. And so that's about 4 minutes past, and then the hour hand is slightly shorter and will just come just after the 3. So 4 minutes past 3. Next up, we have got a we do, and the first we do is minutes to. So as I said on the previous slide, when we're doing minutes past, we count up. But when we're doing minutes to, we count down from 30 minutes past or half past all the way back up to the hour. So for example, this would be 29 minutes to, 28 minutes to, 27 minutes to, 26 minutes to, 25 minutes to, 24 minutes to, 23 minutes to, 22 minutes to, 21 minutes to, 20 minutes to, and so on. So first of all, I'm going to look to my minutes hand, and I know that this means 10 minutes to, so this must mean 11 minutes. So I'm going to put in 11 minutes to, and I look at my hour hand and it's coming up very close to the 8, so I know it must be 11 minutes to 8. Then on the one where I have to draw the hands on, it's asking me to draw on 9 minutes to 7. And again, I'm going to remember what I learned in the previous lesson, and I know that the 10 means 10 minutes to. So 9 minutes to is going to be one after that, which is about there. And it's 9 minutes to 7. So the hour hand is going to be quite close to the 7, but still in between the 6 and the 7. So 9 minutes to 7. So now it's time for you to have a go. So you've got 4 different clocks there to have a go, either reading or drawing the hands on. So you can pause the video to have a go at those now. You can have a go on your own, or if you still need some help, you can ask an adult at your house to help you. When you think you've written the answers, just press play and I will show you the answers. So hopefully you've all had a go, and now here are the answers for you. So the first one is 29 minutes past 12 because the minutes hand is 1 minute before 30 minutes. Then this one, you had to put the hands on yourself, and it's 16 minutes past 5. So the minutes hand is pointing to the minute, so 1 minute after the 3, and then the hours hand is just after the 5. This one here is showing you 23 minutes to 11 because this is 25, 24, 23 minutes to 11 because the hour hand is in between the 10 and the 11. And then you had to draw the hands on for 29 minutes to 2. And we know that this is 29 because 6 equals 30 minutes. So once you've had a go at those, you can now move on to your fluency, dive deeper and dive even deeper. And if you want an extra challenge, you can do your free dive as well. If you're unsure on any of this so far, you can watch the video again or speak to an adult in your house to help you, because 10 times to the minute can be a bit tricky, but so long as you're very accurate and precise, you can get the right answers. So have a go at all the sheets, and then once you've done that, you can upload a photo or a scan of them to the Google Classroom for us to see, and then we can mark it and give you a comment as well. So good luck with your maths this week, and if you have any more questions, just let us know on Google Classroom. Okay then, bye Year 3.